Hi guys, today I have an unboxing, and this is from a store called Kamy Xiao Factory Store at AliExpress. It's called the Chinese Ancient Woman Warrior. It is 50 by 65, and I ordered it on the 21st and received it the 12th of this month, and I paid $24.31 for it. And this is the name of the store. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I went ahead and took the cover off because it just was not cooperating. It's all in one piece. Let me turn this off so maybe you can see that a little bit better. Oh, that didn't help at all, did it? All right. Can we see the top part? I'll just roll it down. And while we're looking at that, have on the beads, this is what it looks like, and I thought it had a lot of nice colors in it, and it seems to be very sticky. And the drill field, it looks pretty clear. It's pretty what do you call that word? It's a lot of confetti, but I think it'll turn out nice when it's done. Let me get this put back together here. And it didn't have any wrinkles except up here, and there's not much to speak of. The canvas itself is pretty clear. Oh no, no, go away. Alright, let me try to get this back on, and then we can look at the beads. But it was all one piece. I will cut this before I start to do it, which always helps. I usually cut like sections at a time and just leave it on there. Oh, for pity's sake, come on, you. And since it's so wide, it's having issues here. I guess I should have cleaned my desk off first, right? But we didn't think of that because we were just so excited to show you what it was. All right. Turn that around. And I'll straighten that out in a little bit. Put it over here. Now the drills. Like I said, it's a round. Sorry, crinkling. And, oh, here's your baggies. Baggies are here. And I was going to see if it told me how many colors. Quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 40 colors in it. It has some mostly muted colors. You have blues and browns, some light pink, some kind of like an off-white, and there's a very vivid red. This is 666 and 817 for the accents. But the color I really like is this 3752, which is kind of a light teal. Then we have some more pink and a little darker teal. And there's some browns. I like the way that they're all hooked together. I like that. I like it even better when they're on their own separate bags, but we didn't get that this time. And I think there's some more browns. And kind of a, I don't know, a light tan, if you will. Light to medium tan. And then here's a darker teal color. I like that. And this is kind of a mauve, dark mauve. And some more reds is 3801. about 5 shades of reds in this. And I think that's it. Oh, we have some loose drills, so I'll have to go back and look at that. But I just wanted to share this with you, and so you could see it. And I'll show you the picture again if anybody would like to go and purchase it. I think it'll be cool. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.